In this video, I'll show you how to turn the flashlight on or off on your iPhone. I'll also show you how to adjust brightness and what to do if you don't see the flashlight option. First, open the Control Center. If your iPhone does not have a home button, swipe down from the top right. If your iPhone has a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Look for the flashlight icon. Tap it once to turn the flashlight on. Tap it again to turn it off. To change brightness, press and hold the flashlight icon. Now swipe up or down to make it brighter or dimmer. If you don't see the flashlight icon, tap the plus icon in Control Center. Tap Add a Control. Search for flashlight and add it. Now you can turn your flashlight on or off anytime. That's how to use the flashlight on your iPhone. Like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.